Today, we have been explaining to the people. We've been explaining to the people the different government programs, and now people have appreciated. For example, the program of PDM. People are very excited because they are realizing that even if you are FDC, even if you are NUP, even if you are NRM, government is giving money to everyone to fight poverty. And now people are realizing that I think government is aiming at ensuring that people should come out of poverty. And because of this, people are saying we must declare ourselves that we are NRM, we should join hands with government to promote all government programs.
We want to see many people coming, and we want to thank our mobilizers, the chairpersons LOC1. They have mobilized, and the chairpersons of NRM. For example, in Wisum, the chairperson of NRM Wisum has done a good job by mobilizing our colleagues to come on board, and people are realizing they are coming not because they have been coerced, but they are coming because they have seen government programs that are yielding results. Which government programs? Youth livelihood programs, WEP programs, the programs of PDM, the programs of Bonaba Gagawale. People have seen government having done a lot of things in their particular area. For example, in Wesu, government has sunk 3.6 billion in a seed school, which is next door here. They have done all it takes to ensure that the school is of standard.
Namatwamu munawiri ariasa oma movement busana boluba katutabateba ayitori ngolo mwanupu enga nauta ne card betu munawiri namatwamu ariasa eka kusangwa ngabe nabaretara neryo chicha maleka enga handrook boluba katutabateba bitunga bayusi bamba baketuletara chindu baketutekeraho echindu kirenda rako betu twasangana ebyosi enebo bakatuteba